Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to delete a website from your Cloudflare account, step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to confidently remove a site from your Cloudflare dashboard. Whether you're cleaning up old projects, transferring a domain to another service, or just starting fresh, this process is straightforward. But I'll walk you through every detail so nothing feels overwhelming, even if it's your very first time dealing with Cloudflare. Alright, let's dive in. The first thing you'll want to do is log in to your Cloudflare dashboard. Head over to cloudflare.com and enter your credentials, your email and password. If you have two-factor authentication set up, you'll need to enter that code as well. Taking a moment here just helps ensure everything stays secure. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your main Cloudflare dashboard. This is essentially your mission control, where every website you've added to Cloudflare is listed, each one presented like a card in a deck. Now scan through this list and select the website you want to remove. Just click on the name of the site, double-check here. Make absolutely sure you're picking the right domain, especially if you have a long list of websites. It's a good idea to pause for a second and confirm you're not accidentally deleting another project. Think of it like clearing out files on your computer. You don't want to send the wrong one to the trash. Once you're inside the site's page, you'll be looking at the Overview tab. This is where Cloudflare gathers all the general info for this specific site. Now glance over to the right-hand sidebar and start scrolling down until you see the section called Advanced Actions. It can be easy to miss because it's at the bottom of the panel, but just take it slow. Advanced Actions is where Cloudflare gathers these kinds of important, less frequently used tools, sort of like the settings panel on your phone that you visit for big changes, not just daily tweaks. In the Advanced Actions section, you'll see the option to remove site from Cloudflare. Go ahead and click on that. Cloudflare will prompt you to confirm that you really do want to take this action. This is your safety net. Cloudflare is double-checking so you don't accidentally remove your website with a stray click. Now you'll need to confirm your choice. Usually this means clicking a confirmation button or possibly entering your site's domain to really lock in the choice. Take your time with this confirmation step. It's an irreversible move. The site will be removed from your Cloudflare dashboard and will no longer benefit from Cloudflare's security features, DDoS protection, or performance optimizations. If you're transferring the domain to another provider, make sure those settings are ready on the other end so there's no downtime. And that's it. After confirming, Cloudflare will go through the removal process. This might take a few moments, but once it's done, the website disappears from your Cloudflare dashboard and you're all set. Don't worry if it doesn't vanish instantly, just refresh your dashboard in a minute or two. So you now know how to safely and thoroughly remove any site from your Cloudflare account. Taking a few extra moments at each step helps ensure your projects stay organized and nothing gets deleted by mistake. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I'm here to help. And for more tutorials just like this, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.